everyone, and welcome to Mastering Cebuano. My name is Simon Dara, and today we're talking about adjectives in Cebuano. So, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. For example, in English, the yellow sun. Yellow describes the noun sun. Adjectives give more detail about a person, a place, or a thing. In English, adjectives usually come before the noun. The blue sky, a heavy rain. Simple. But Cebuano does this differently. In Cebuano, adjectives don't just sit in front of a noun. They need a special linker to connect them to the noun. And this linker can be nga, ga, written separately, ng attached to the adjective, or you use ang, ang, when you turn it into a sentence. For example, in English, you can say the big pig, which is a description, or the pig is big, which is a sentence. In Cebuano, it works like this. You have the big pig, dakong baboy, dako plus ng, baboy. Or you have the pig is big in sentence, dako ang baboy. Now, when do we use nga and when ng? It depends on how the adjective ends. If the adjective ends in a consonant, use nga. Labas na isda, the fresh fish. Labas ends in s, a consonant, right? Labas ang isda, the fish is fresh. Another example, hinog nga saging, the ripe banana. Hinog ends in g. Hinog ang saging, the banana is ripe. You have kusok nga ulan, the heavy rain. Kusok ends in g. Kusok ang ulan, the rain is heavy. Now, if the adjective ends in a vowel, then you use ng attached, like this. Ugang sinina, the dry clothes. Uga, dry, ends in a, so you attach it to uga, ugang. Uga ang sinina, the clothes are dry. Another one, gamayng tindahan, the small shop. Gamay, small, ends in a vowel sound, epsilon, which is considered most of the time in Cebuano as a vowel sound. Gamayng. This is just to make it sound better. Remember that Cebuano is a spoken language. It's not really a written language. And you have the sentence, gamay ang tindahan. The shop is small. And also something special, W also falls into this vowel group sound. For example, bugnaong tubig. Bugnaong tubig, the cold water. Bugnaw, cold. Bugnaw ends with W. Bugnaw ang tubig, the water is cold. We have another special case. What if an adjective ends in an N? Do we add ng? No, we just add the G. So, karaang balay, the old house. Karaan ang balay, the house is old. You just add the G to karaan, right? We have some practice sentences. I have 5 sentences for one specific kind, and then 5 sentences with the ang, 5 sentences with nga, ng, and then with ang. Okay. Nibangga ang pink na auto sa gahi na paril. The pink car crashed into the hard wall. Nipaak ang dakong iro sa gamayng iring. The big dog bit the small cat. Diputol ang hait na sundang sa hinog na saging. The sharp bolo cut the ripe banana. Bolo is a knife, a special knife in the Philippines. Nibasa ang kusok na ulan sa ugang sinina. The heavy rain soaked the dry clothes. Nitabang ang buotan na silingan sa karaang babae. The kind neighbor helped the old woman. Now we have five more sentences with ang. Pink ang auto, uk gahi ang paril. The car is pink and the wall is hard. Dako ang iro, uk gamay ang iring. The dog is big and the cat is small. Hait ang sundang pero hinog ang saging. The bolo is sharp, but the banana is ripe. Kusok ang ulan, uk uga ang sinina. The rain is heavy, and the clothes are dry. Bugnaw ang tubig, uk init ang kape. The water is cold, and the coffee is hot. You notice, of course, that the first kind, the NGA, NG, kind is what is used most common, is used most. But that's it for the adjectives in Cebuano. Remember, description use NG, NGA, and the full sentence use ANG. Keep practicing, read your examples out loud, and I'll see you in the next episode of Mastering Cebuano. Thank you for watching.